Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Dia Selvia will be explain about context clues. What is the context clues? Context clues are hints found within a sentence, paragraph, or passage that a reader can use to understand the meanings of new or unfamiliar words. Number 1. Contrast clause. It is sometimes possible to determine the meaning of unknown word from a word or phrase in the context that has an opposite meaning. The words and phrases such but, also, even though, yet, on the other hand, indicate contrasting ideas. Yang berarti kata-kata dan frasa seperti tetapi, meskipun, di sisi lain yang menunjukkan ide-ide kontras. Example number 1. The economic problem is how to fulfill human desires that are not limited but with the limited factor. In the sentence, there is the word but. Number 2. The sphere of economics in business is rooted in economic theory, although the scope different from economic theory. In the sentence, there is the word although. Number 2. Inference clause. Meaning of unknown word by using logic and relation skills. Yang berarti, arti kata yang tidak dikenal dengan menggunakan logika dan keterampilan penalaran. Example number 1. Microeconomic system or in particular. Number 2. Business economics is more focused on combining economic theory as well as quantitative approaches. Number 3. Restatement. The words and phrases such as or, in the other word, to is to say, that is, and the signal, commas, parentheses, and dieses indicate restatement. Example restatement number 1. In the world of business economic, business means business. In other words, any activity that a person continues to do in order to earn an income. In the example, there is a word in other words. 2. Economy in business also includes the study of external economic factors and their influence on business decisions such as changes in industrial regulation or sudden change in raw material price. In the example, there is a word or. Number 3. The field of economic in business discusses economic principles, standard business practice strategies, capital gains, profit generation, production efficiency, and overall management strategy. In the example, there is a word commerce. Number 4 and number 5. Microeconomic analysis uses the analysis of consumers in using their income and producers in awarding their goods in the market. In the example number 4 and number 5, there is a word parentheses. Number 4. Modifier. The process or clause after a noun modifies the noun. Example, technology is so fast to imitate. The most dominant example is telephones or gadgets, with selling price much cheaper than the first model issued by large manufacturer. Number 5. Sentence or paragraph. The sentence or sentence that come before or after the sentence containing word explain the word. The paragraph in which an unknown word appears may also explain the word. Example number 1. In business, there is also a business strategy. The business strategy is carried out to conduct market research, to see what opportunities the market likes, to predict the business that will be carried out will experience progress or decline in accordance with the market economic cycle. 2. The reason for workers working not in their own country also vary. Some are due to the higher value of compensation in other countries, the existence of foreign aid programs, or some are caused by emergency factors such as the threat of war and so on. In the example, it contains the word explain before the word after it, or an explanation of the previous word.